What's going on, everybody? It's Jay Ball here with Blue Jays Outdoors, and I'm actually headed to the bay right now to do some bass fishing with my good buddy Brandon Herzog from Mud Creek Custom Tackle. And this is going to be my first attempt at making a semi-okay fishing, I don't know if you want to call it video and or collage. So still figuring out this stuff, still pretty new to everything, but I'm going to try to use my iPhone as much as possible. I do have my action cameras that I can try to somewhat use, but I'm still trying to figure out how to work all that stuff. So yeah, it might just be another iPhone video like my post related to maple syrup. But yep, we're going to go target some smallmouth, maybe some largemouth. It is a northeast wind, about 10 to 15, so it's going to be a little bit rough, so we might have to sneak away into some of the canals. But yeah, hopefully it'll be a good time. Brandon is a really knowledgeable guy when it comes to fishing the bay, so very fortunate and blessed to get to fish with a guy like him. So let's see what we can do. Yeah. Get him. Awesome. It's a nice largemouth. Hey, he's on camera too. He's way back up in there. Nice one. Heck yeah. On chomper jig.
It's a little largemouth.
Yep. Cool. Perfect. Now there's got to be a fish there. Yep.
Another good size.
Yeah. Man, that's a nice smallmouth. Yeah. Whew. Man. That's how it's supposed to work. Right there. Right along that seawall. Man, that's a nice fish. These are all good, solid fish. Man. It's another 3-pounder. Got some shoulders on him. I never thought I'd catch a smallmouth pitching and flipping these creature baits. That was like picture perfect. That's the way it should work. Yeah, in this little bit of stained water, I just dipped those tails into that chartreuse dye. And that's what my buddy down south taught me. Yeah, this is their go-to bait for doing this kind of stuff down south. These the two guys I fished with.
That's a real money bait. There's no doubt it looks right. Everything about what we're doing, that's it.
If you look at the tails, how this thing kicks when it falls.
Yeah. Nice. Nice. And just having that drop set up like that too. Let that weight fall and that bait fall naturally.
Mm-hmm. That's a deep seawall. Oh. Swing and a miss. Ball game. Yeah. God, I love that bite. Damn. Another solid fish. Peanut butter jelly time. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, watch out. Sorry.
You're all right. I won't
Duck!
step into it.
There's one right there. You're, Why can't the geese just get along? Say that. Another one. I'm getting smaller.
Yeah, smaller and less smaller. More larger.
Yep.
It's going to be in technology. But to me, I think there's too much.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's a nice one. With the net, or that's a nice small one too. Heck yeah. Dragging that jig.
Yep. Give her a couple sachets because she's gonna be feisty. There she's going. She wants to go down.
That's a nice fish.
Time to come.
That's a stud. Awesome.
Oh, that's a heavy one.
Yeah. Nice. Make sure I got them on both. All right, let me get a couple pictures. Nice, that's a stud.
Yeah.
Awesome. Pretty.
See that
Here, I
scale?
get scale.
Got a little weight. Four and a half.
Yep. Heck yeah.
Nice.
That was probably one of the best days of bass fishing I've had on this
In 1
boat.
mile,
So
take a
it
slight
was-
left turn
it was
onto North
awesome. We
Bayport
probably
Road.
caught maybe 10 or 12 really good sized smallmouth, really good sized largemouth combination, but super cold, man. It's wind is blowing and man, hands were getting numb, but it was awesome. So got one on a spinner bait, mostly flipping a creature bait. Peanut butter and jelly, kind of my go-to, but caught a couple on a craw. So yeah, hopefully I got some decent video, but yeah, really good day of spring bass fishing. So see if I can't get a video produced sometime here in the near future. And appreciate you guys hanging out with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Blue Jays Outdoors and hit the notification button, so every time I do post a video, whether it's maple syrup related or fishing related, you guys will get a notification. But yeah, so definitely appreciate it as always. You guys have a good night or a good evening, and I will see you next time.